St. Michael's Academy has been educating students since 2009. However, the building itself is much older and outdated. With a budget of almost $2 million, we have turned our visions of a perfect school into a reality.
The purpose of our project
was to modernize the middle school. We did this by repainting the walls, adding new technology, and creating an overall better learning environment.
Here at St. Michael's Academy, something that's always been important to us is doing what's best for the environment. To capitalize on that, we installed many green technologies. One of the major things that we installed was the Haiku fan. This fan is energy efficient and motion censored. We also installed motion censored lights to turn on and off when someone enters or leaves a room. Lastly, we installed LK hydration station to encourage the use of reusable water bottles. And we installed motion censored sinks and hand dryers to reduce the waste caused by paper towels.
Here at St. Michael's Academy, we want to make sure each student gets the best learning experience. To do this, we have added in many adaptations so that we are able to educate all types of students, whether they learn best visually, by hearing something, or by doing hands-on experiments. We've made many additions to the classrooms to help all three types of learners. These include Microsoft Surface Pros and the Smartboard 7000s.
I think it'd be better for us to have more technology because we'd have better textbooks and we'd also be able to do way more and get a lot of things done faster because we can do a lot of it at home on the laptops.
How I think I would benefit from a new way of doing things is, times are changing, and so if the textbooks were new to what's going on now, I feel like it would prepare me for the future.
I think laptops can help us because it could help us get work done faster and it's less things to carry.
I think the school would be better since we have the Surface Pros and the new technology, because it would help us learn faster and because it would help us for having